breakfast show ongazi kuzokwenzekani kuzobe khona bani and uthi boom ngithela kusibani bani izo lonto le. This is Babu Dr. Lagelo. Yeah, as a person, never give up on poverty. We can certainly give you something ezokukhipha enhluphekweni. Uyazi kunento ekufuna ngikutshele yona. It's not right, but we need to know. Do you know ukuthi ihlahla, the tree that bears fruit, the tree that makes wood for our houses, the tree that produces a lot of things, the tree that is big, I'm talking about the tree that has roots, stem and leaves. Lesa hlahla lesa siphuma enhlabathini. Sihlale kakhulu enhlabathini as a seed. But when the time was right, it started to germinate. Listen to me carefully. The seed of the tree stayed too long, waiting for the right time. The right time is for rain to rain. When it's rain, it poured. And thereafter, the seed started to germinate in the presence of sand and soil under it. Listen to me carefully. The root of the grass could not delay the germination. I repeat, the root of the grass. Underneath there was a seed that was forcing its way up. When it grows up, it was trampled by the elephant. It was trampled by the lions. It was trampled by big animals. But the branch kept on going. It was bending, losing some branches, but it kept on growing. It was feeding other animals, but it kept on growing. It never stopped growing. And it kunabantu njengamanje who are under the soil, who are under the root of some grasses. When it rains, they will germinate. When they germinate, they'll seed out. They will grow. The elephant will trap. Bazobanyathelwa abantu abadumile. Bazokhulunywa kabi abantu abaziwayo. Bazokhulunywa kabi abantu ababulalayo. Bazokhulunywa kabi abantu abangamabhubesi. Babanyathele but basurvive. Kuzodliwa into zabo abantu ekuthiwa bomthetho, kuthiwa kudliwa into zakho uthola into. Kunenyamazane ezidla amabranch ehlahla. Kodwa ihlahla sikhule. There are those games that are eating from the branch of the tree. They're eating from the leaves of the tree, but the tree does not complain about those animals that they eat or feed, but they still grow. Kunomuntu njengamanje impilo yakho uyabona ukuthi into zakhe ziyalahleka kodwa ama-root akhona. Lithi melinetha ama-root amunca amanzi awuphusha ephezulu. Engisho ukuthi njengamanje when linetha, it is an opportunity that we have to grab and put it under your root and feed yourself up.